Hello, we have this Olympiad's exponential problem. We have t minus 4 raised to the power of 4 equals t raised to the power of 4. And we are going to solve for all the values of t. Now, because this is 4 and this also is 4, we can re-express this as t minus 4 raised to the power of 2, and this is also raised to the power of 2. This equals t raised to the power of 2, and this is raised to the power of 2. Remember, if you have a power n raised to the power of m, this equals a power n times m. So based on this identity, if you multiply 2 times 2, you have 4, and if you multiply 2 times 2 again, you have 4. So from here, let's proceed. We can decide to move this over here, and we are going to have t minus 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 minus t power 2 raised to the power of 2, and this equals 0. Now from here, we can apply difference of 2 squares. Why? Because this is to the power of 2 and this is to the power of 2. It's like writing a power 2 minus b power 2, which equals a minus b times a plus b. And in this case, our a equals the whole of this bracket, which is t minus 4 raised to the power of 2, while b equals the whole of this bracket, which is t raised to the power of 2. So let's insert everything right into these two brackets. So a minus b will be, this is t minus 4 raised to the power of 2, that is our a, minus b will be t to the power of 2, times a plus b will be, this is t minus 4 raised to the power of 2 plus t power 2, and this equals 0. Now, for us to proceed, we need to expand this, and we also need to expand this. So let's expand this. We have t minus 4 raised to the power of 2, which equals t minus 4 times t minus 4. And this will give you t times t, that is t power 2, t times negative 4 minus 4t minus 4t again. Let's multiply this, and negative 4 times negative 4 will give you plus 16. So from here you have t squared minus 8t plus 16. So this is the expanded form of this and this. So let's fix it back into that bracket. So what we are going to have will be, instead of writing this t minus 4 raised to the power of 2, we are going to write, this is t squared minus 8t plus 16 plus t squared. Remember this t squared here? Okay, it's minus t squared. This is minus t squared, so let me change it to minus. So I'm going to come back here and change it to minus t squared, and that is the end of that bracket, which is this bracket here. Now let's go over to the second bracket. Now we are going to have the same thing, t squared minus 8t plus 16. This time around, we have plus t squared, and this equals 0. So we are having the plus t squared because this is plus t squared. Have you seen it? And everything equates 0. So if you observe very well, this will eliminate this. So what we are going to have will simply be negative 80 plus 16 times, for this, t squared will add t squared, that is 2t squared. Then we have minus 80 plus 16, and this equals 0. So let's equate each of these to 0. We are going to start with this one here. We have negative 8t plus 16 equals 0. Or let's consider this, which is 2t squared minus 8t plus 16 equals 0. So for this, what we are going to do will be to move this 16 over here. It changes to negative 16. So we have negative 80 equals negative 16. Negative cancels negative. We have 80 equals 16. So let's solve for t by dividing this by 8. And we divide this by 8. So 8 cancel 8. We have t equals 16 divided by 8. That is 2. This is our first solution. Now, we have this quadratic equation because the power of t here is 2. We have 2t squared minus 8t plus 16 equals 0. So we can divide each part of this by 2. This is divided 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 by 2. We want to simplify it. So this cancels this. We are going to have t squared. Negative 8 divided by 2. This is minus 14 plus 16 divided by 2. That is 8 equals 0 divided by 2. That is 0. So we have now reduced this equation to this form. So let's solve it using the formula method. So we are going to write the formula in respect to t, which is t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. Now the equation of t squared is 1, that is our a, negative 4 is our b, and c is 8. So let's insert it right here. We are going to have t equals negative b, negative times negative 4 plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 4 to the power of 2, minus 4 times a, that is 1, times c, that is 8. This is divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. So from here, we are going to have t equals negative times negative 4, this is 4, plus or minus square root of negative 4 squared, this is 16, minus 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 8, that's negative, this is 32, divided by 2. So from here, we are going to have t equals 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 32, this is negative 16, divided by 2. So from here, we are going to have t equals 4 plus or minus, yes, minus a, we can have square root of negative 1 times square root of 16 divided by 2. So from here, we are going to have t equals 4 plus or minus square root of negative 1 is I times square root of 16, that is 8 times 2 divided by 2. So from here we have t equals 4 plus or minus I times, we can separate this square root of 8. We can also express square root of 8 as square root of 4 times 2. So instead of writing 8 times 2 here, let's just make our work easier. So let's write it as 4 times 4, because 4 times 4 is still 16. Have you seen it? 4 times 4. Have you seen it? So we have square root of 4, that is 2, and square root of 4 again, that is 2. So we are going to have 4 root 2. What am I even saying? The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So there's nothing like root 3 again. All right. So we have this divided by 2. So from here, we are going to have t equals 2 divide itself. Divide this is 2. Divide this. This is 2. So we are going to have 2 plus or minus I times 2. So we have two values for t. That means we are going to have t equals 2 plus I2. 2 plus I2. Or we have t equals 2 minus I2. So these are the complex values. And we have only one real solution, which is t equals 2. Now, let me explain something. If you go back to this original problem, to the question that you were given, you discover that we have 4 here. That means we are supposed to have 4 different solutions. But the reason we are having 3D solutions is because one solution, the 4 will cancel itself. At some point, we are going to have t power 4 equals t power 4. So this will cancel out, leaving with only 3 solutions. So that's why we are having 3 solutions. Now, the next step will be for us to check if you have checked t equals the solution that we had, that is 2. So this is the real solution that we had, remember? So if you want to insert this value to check if we are going to have the same thing, look at it here, that is 2. So we are going to just insert 2 right here. You have, instead of t minus 4, you have 2 minus 4 raised to the power of 4. Is it the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 4? Okay, this is the solution. So 2 minus 4 is negative 2 raised to the power of 4, which is equals 2 power 4. Negative raised to the power of 4 will give you positive. So 2 power 4 is 16, and this equals 16. So the real solution has satisfied the equation. Now, we have 3 different solutions for this exponential problem because the 4 here, t power 4 will cancel t power 4, just like what I said earlier on. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye.